Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So obviously things do look a little bit different. I am actually going to attempt to vlog, you guys. It is the week of Thanksgiving. I am actually in the process of getting ready to leave to go to Memphis. So yeah, you guys, I'm not really that good at vlogging, but I am going to try, like I said, to attempt to vlog Thanksgiving. So if you see my mic, you guys, yeah, crazy story about my mic situation. There's something that's going on with the microphone that's connected to my camera. I don't really know what it is. So I'm just using the wireless mic instead. But oh well. But yeah, I've actually just finished getting ready, you guys. I just have on this famous like tracksuit that I've shown like a million times in my YouTube channel, various videos. But yes, you guys, I guess, let's see. I've packed, I'm ready. I guess I need to probably go ahead and start loading my car. So, yeah. I will probably be checking in with you all a little bit later, maybe before we leave or maybe after we leave, but you'll definitely see me, obviously, again. Okay, you guys, so I realized like the lighting in my bathroom was kind of dark, but I did want to show you the what OOTD for today. It's travel day, you guys. It's this lounge suit. I got this from fashionnova.com. I've shown it a million times before, but yeah, you guys. Okay, I'm going for real this time. Bye. Hey, you guys, thought I would just check in briefly. So we have actually stopped. My mom wanted to get a bite to eat. I'm just waiting in the car while her food cooks and everything. We are slowly making our way to Tennessee, so that's good news. Good news. But yeah, you guys, I am already tired. Like, I don't know what it is, like with driving and me. Like, yeah. I mean, I don't mind driving, but if I don't have to drive, then I'm not going to drive. But yes, you guys, I'm already tired. But you probably see like all of these boxes and things like in the background. So I'm actually going to be helping my sister pack. She's going to be moving within the next 2 weeks or so. I think it may be 1 week from now. Yeah, I think it is. Oh my goodness, she moves next week. But yeah, she's still going to be in Memphis, just moving to like a different location. But yeah, you guys, I didn't want anything. Just kind of wanted to check in to let you know that we are slowly making our way to Tennessee. Guys, so just wanted to let you all know that we did make it safely to Memphis, Tennessee. I look so tired, you guys, and I am. And clearly, you can see this is going to be my bed for the next few days. And when I tell you, you guys, I am about to go to bed. But yeah, you guys, just want to let you know we made it safely to Tennessee, and I will see you tomorrow. Hey you guys, so this is actually my first time being out today. Today is Monday. Monday, we are actually going to do a little shopping at Tanger Outlets in South Haven. I've mentioned this place a few times in my blog before. So yeah, you guys, this is kind of like a little girls' night outing. So yeah, and sorry y'all for like all the noise like in the background. Yeah, there's
people like in and out of the hallways. But yeah, you guys, I will update you when we get to the outlets. Ta-ta. Okay, you guys. So, like I said, I was gonna check in with you. My hair is doing its own little thing today. But yeah, you guys. You remember when I told y'all like I absolutely hate driving? No, seriously, that's a true statement. Like, I just don't like driving at all. If I don't have to drive, then I'm not gonna drive. And when I tell you the traffic and just driving overall up here, like in Memphis, I'm talking about on a whole nother level. Like, I can handle the traffic in Birmingham and Tuscaloosa, obviously, but yeah, like here in Memphis. Oh my God, there's my sister. Hi. But yeah, no, seriously, you guys. We're in Nike too. I'm sure you can see it with all the boxes. But anyways, you guys, I will check back in on you all later. Y'all, like my skin is so oily. I don't have on any makeup today, but anyways, who cares about that? All right, talk back with you soon. So, you guys, we have been doing a little shopping. Right now, we're just gonna take like a little bathroom break. But y'all, isn't the place decorated so nicely? I mean, I know you can't see it, but you know, thank you. But yeah, you guys, ooh, it feels so much better in here. It is a lot warmer in here, but yeah, you guys, it's decorated so pretty for the holiday, but I'm gonna go ahead and end this because I don't want to get like any copyright like flags or anything like that. So yeah. Okay, y'all, so don't mind the way that I look. I'm actually in the dressing room right now at Banana Republic. Y'all, I am so upset that I can't wear these. Like, I know, y'all, I know this is embarrassing. But anyways, these shorts, y'all, these Bermuda shorts, they're a size 12, but y'all, the way that like Banana Republic's jeans fit on me, they have no stretch. Like, y'all, look, no stretch like at all. And this is like extremely like tight. I really hate it, you guys, because these would have been so cute. Y'all, don't mind my hair either. Like, yeah, these flyaways would be tamed. But yeah, you guys, unfortunately, this is a fail for me, but it is what it is. Hey, you guys. So, update. We are in Walmart and they have some really, really, really good deals. Um, yeah, like really good deals. Like, y'all, when I tell you the whole entire store is on sale, but I mean, obviously, you know, you can always find really good deals at Walmart. But yeah, you guys, now I'm hungry and I'm about to get me something to eat. Okay, bye.
Hi, you guys. Long time no see. I know, you guys. Today is actually Thanksgiving Day. When I tell you, your girl has been so tired. Like, I didn't record Tuesday, I didn't record yesterday, which was Wednesday. When I tell you, all I've been trying to do is just get some sleep, pretty much. I think the last time I recorded, I showed us at the outlets in South Haven, Tanger Outlets, South Haven, Mississippi. You guys, we had a blast. I definitely ended up doing some shopping there. My mom and I, we actually went shopping last night at Wolf Chase Galleria here in Memphis, and we found some really good deals, you guys. But yes, um, y'all, I am stuffed. Like, when I tell you I am so full, and my mom and I, we've actually came down to like the gym area of my sister's apartment. Even though, granted, I do not work out, I definitely feel the need to maybe get like on the treadmill, do a few laps or whatever it is. See, that's how you know I don't work out, you guys. But yeah, definitely feel like I could maybe walk some of this food off, you guys. But yeah, I definitely just wanted to check in with you guys, say hello, wish you all a happy Thanksgiving. Thank you so much for your endless support with supporting my channel throughout like the entire year, you guys. But yes, I'm so grateful, blessed, and thankful to have you all. So happy Thanksgiving to you all. And yeah, see you all soon. Okay, you guys, so I have actually like amped up my walking like speed and I burned actually 11 calories. So that's pretty good. And I've actually been walking for a little over like 5 minutes. So, yeah, I can see why people choose to work out. I get it. I completely get it. Even though I don't like working out and honestly, if I did start like a workout regimen, more than likely it would be me walking. For me, walking is going to be the easy way, but yet the lazy way. So, yeah, this is pretty cool though, you guys. It really is. And yeah, my mom and I, we now have the gym to ourselves. As you can see, there's no one in here anymore. So, yeah, you guys. Yes. Y'all, side note too, it's a very gloomy day outside. It's raining. It's like a little drizzle, like a light drizzle, but it is raining outside. And apparently Walgreens is open. Like I'm looking across the street, Walgreens is open, and there's also a grocery store too, right beside my sister's apartment, Kroger. We don't have Krogers in Alabama, but I know Tennessee just alone has a lot of Krogers and they're open. So, hey, I mean, that's nice to know Kroger is open. Need like a little last minute, like Thanksgiving dish to prepare or dessert. But yeah, you guys, it's a very gloomy day, a very gloomy Thanksgiving day of 2022, but that's okay. That is okay. I'm just thankful and blessed that I live to see another Thanksgiving. So, yes, on account of everything that has happened this year in 2022, it's been wild, you guys. It has. It has been really, really wild. But yeah, you guys, I'm actually getting tired. Not gonna even lie. Like I'm panting. I am. I've got the water right here. And when I tell y'all this water looks so good, y'all, like I don't, working out is not my thing. I don't do this. Oh, you guys, but look, I've burned now 19 calories and I've been walking a little over 7 minutes. I think this has a timer of 20 minutes. I'm not really sure, but it says I've walked 19 miles. For me, being like a beginner, I guess that's good. I don't know. I don't know. But yeah, you guys. Okay, you guys. So I think this is actually going to wrap up my Thanksgiving week vlog in Memphis, Tennessee. I can definitely say it was a very busy week, but even with it being a busy week, I was able to get some sleep. I caught some really great deals. I was able to see my sister. So, yeah, overall, this was a very good trip, I must definitely say. And of course, I could never, ever, ever, ever thank everyone for tuning in to this week's video. Thank you so much, you guys. I'm so grateful, so thankful to have you all continuously supporting my channel. It means the world to me. But happy Thanksgiving to you all. Stay safe, be blessed, and see you next time. Bye.